Christmas decorations.
I got a question, Lil Rob. Why are we taking down the decorations if Christmas is in 2 days?
We're trying out Goggle's new invention, Meaty. The Christmas Decorationator.
My instant decoration device will revolutionize Christmas decorating. What used to be a fun family event that could take a whole evening can now be done in mere seconds, giving everyone more time to watch their favorite cartoons. Prepare to witness the future of holiday decorating. Perhaps the horizontal axis gyroscope needs adjustment.
Sorry about that, Gene.
Yellow, why don't you kids go adjust your horizontal axis gyroscope at someone else's house? And it's Dad.
I would be happy to, sir, but it's just that, well...
All our parents have banned Goggles from crossing the property line.
This is the only house where I'm still allowed to.
It's harsh, man, but true genius is always misunderstood.
We gotta put these lights back up so Santa Claus knows where to land his sleigh, man. You still believe in Santa Claus? Yeah, right. Still? Why would I ever stop?
Awkward. We can all believe whatever we want. I, for example, believe that skateboarding is the ultimate form of self-expression. And Jackknife just happens to believe that a man in a red suit flies across the world, crawls down chimneys, and leaves presents. Isn't that right, Jackknife?
Yeah, what he said. I want to add one thing. Peace out, man.
I'm telling you, I heard something.
It was probably just your stomach. Can we please go back to bed?
I'm warning you, I'm a Pajitsu master. I won't be held responsible for what happens next.
There's no need for the Pajitsu spinning, paw. I'm the real deal. I'm Santa Claus.
What? If you're really Santa, then what are you doing in my living room?
I'm delivering presents, just like I do every Christmas Eve.
Not buying it. Christmas Eve is tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, huh? Well, if I wasn't the real Santa, could I do this? Ho, ho, ho!
Still not buying it. Okay, now we're buying it.
You know, Lil Rob, there is a reason I came to your house a day early.
Aliens taking over your workshop and you need Lil Rob and me to go to the North Pole on a commando mission to save Christmas? Come on, that'd be awesome.
Everyone knows about my naughty and nice list, but I have another list that's just as important, that no one knows about. It's my shredder and poser list. There's lots of posers, but there's no greater shredder than you, Lil Rob, and it's always been my Christmas wish to skate with you. What do you say?
I say Christmas wishes do come true. Hey guys, I'd like you to meet my Uncle Chris from up north.
Hey, what's up, man? Hello.
Hey, dudes, rock and roll. I'm stoked to skate with you gnarly dudes. Let's shred it. Bloodtacular.
You're trying too hard.
Oh, it's so hard to keep up with you kids.
Hey, Lil Rob, I didn't know your mom had a beard. Check under your tree. I got you a present this year. I promise not to school you and skate again. Oh, losers. Oh.
That kid's got a whole naughty list just to himself, so I give him a lump of coal every year.
Okay, grinders, let's skate.
This has been the best pre-Christmas shred session ever, Lil Rob. I've got one more trick in the tank, then it's back to the North Pole. I'm thinking tray flip to crooks, backside nollie flip out, like, oh, figure out the rest.
You're call, man in red.
Sorry, I didn't see you.
No harm done. It'll take more than a wipeout to keep old Chris down. Oh, ouch! Oh, I think I spoke too soon.
Justine Flash for Gnarly Network.
It's Christmas Eve, and anonymous sources have revealed that Santa Claus is missing.
It's a 5 eggnog alert at Santa's workshop, man. They're saying Christmas is canceled. It's game over, man.
Where is Santa? Will Christmas be canceled for the first time in history? Are we doomed? Who will save us? Who?
What's the word, Uncle Chris?
I don't think I'll be going down chimneys tonight. Oh, skating on Christmas Eve. I can hear Mrs. Claus now. What were you thinking?
Mrs. Claus, chimneys, you hurt your back or your head?
Guys, Chris needs our help.
I'm going to tell you something, but you have to swear to secrecy.
As long as you don't pull your head off and show us you're some freaky cyborg, your secret's safe with us.
I'm not really Lil Rob's uncle. I'm Santa Claus.
You're not Lil Rob's uncle?
It's true. Chris is the real deal. He's Santa Claus.
Nice one, Lil Rob. But Santa Claus isn't real, and there's nothing you can do to convince us otherwise. Okay, we're convinced! We're so surprised!
Cancel Christmas? I never thought this day would come.
Don't push that button, because Grinder Claus is coming to town. Kids all across the world are expecting a visit from Santa tonight, and that's just what we're gonna give them. And let's face it, I look pretty cool in this suit.
Ho, ho, ho! You sure do, Lil Rob. I mean, Grinder Claus.
Whoa! My decorationator's been mounted on the sleigh with great care.
And I decided to dress with some holiday flair.
Only one thing to do before we take flight. Lead off. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Fly shotgun for Grinder Claus with an antler-like hat? How could I ever say no to that?
I don't even want to ask.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good luck.
Goodbye. Good luck. I know you can do it.
Hey, watch it. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen. On Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. Go meet off to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away, all.
Maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all.
Okay, Goggles, that's everyone on Santa's nice list, but I think we need to make one more stop.
Santa Claus, you came! You finally came! Although you're a lot shorter than you look on the Christmas card.
Ho, ho, ho! Santa brought you a very special gift, Stuffer, but you have to promise to be good.
I promise! I promise!
Now promise without crossing your fingers.
That's why you're the man in red, Santa! You know all the naughty list tricks!
Dude, I can't believe you gave Stuffer a present. He doesn't deserve one.
Look at him, Meaty. This is what Christmas is all about.
On a skateboard without using robo-skate legs?
This just in. Worldwide Santa sightings. Worst Christmas ever narrowly avoided. Although witnesses say Santa did look shorter in person than he does on the Christmas card.
Good job, Grinders. You saved Christmas. Ho, ho, ho!
No worries, Santa. The Wild Grinders always got your back. But I saved you one last present to deliver, if you're up for it.
I know what you're thinking, and I got it covered, Lil Rob.
See you next year, Santa. Merry Christmas!
Goodbye, Grinder Claus. Goodbye, Meatloaf and Goggles.
Man, I love the holidays. The snow, the holiday cheer. Bundle up, Meaty. It's gonna be cold out there.
I can't wait to meet Santa. I love taking pictures with all my holiday heroes.
A tree?
Not just any tree. It's Okefenokee, the Earth Day oak tree.
Come on, Meaty. Let's hit the snow. On the count of 3, Meaty. We hit the snow running.
1, 2, 3.
Wild Grinder! Hello, winter.
What the? How is this winter? This is just wrong.
Cheer up, man. We can still go to the mall and get your picture taken with Santa.
There's one thing I haven't figured out, though.
How to celebrate the holidays without any snow?
No. What am I gonna do if I have to go to the bathroom?
Even if there's no snow, you can always count on joy and goodwill to all during the holidays.
Mine!
Looks like I spoke too soon. At least there's one thing that'll never change. Hey, you're not Santa.
I'm better than Santa Claus. I'm Huckster Claus, brought to you by Huxtable Industries Super Mall. You kids on the go deserve a modern symbol of your holiday spirit. I've got just the thing for you, drooling little boy.
Is it a pack of hot dogs baked inside of a funnel cake and wrapped in bacon?
It's better. A Hucky.
Buy more hockey!
No snow? No holiday spirit? No tasteful holiday photo of a dog and his holiday idol? That's it! We need a new holiday, one that isn't so hockey. It'll be everything Christmas used to be. You know, it'll be for everyone. And all about holiday cheer and goodwill to man, and not, I repeat, not about buying things like this.
Buy more things like this!
I call this new holiday Grindernukamas.
Nice!
You may think one skater can start a new holiday that sweeps across the world by himself. It's just not true. I'm gonna need as much help as I can get. Goggles, you're in charge of making it snow. Emo Chris, you're in charge of spreading Grindernukamas cheer. On second thought, everyone else will help me spread Grindernukamas cheer and goodwill. Emo Chris, you design the official Grindernukamas version of Santa Claus. I'll call him Grindernukamas Gary. And I'd like to thank Meaty for the concept sketch.
What's with the ferns?
It's the official Grindernukamas celebratory plan.
Guess that leaves me to come up with the perfect holiday carol. What rhymes with Grindernukamas? Grindernukamas is cool. Fa la 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 la. Makes the other holidays drool. Fa la 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 la. It's a snow week everywhere. Fa la 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 la. Potted plants for you to share. Fa la 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 la. Hug it out, bro. Don't be scared now. Fa la 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 la. I think this carol is now over. Fa la 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 la.
Spreading Grindernukamas cheer is exhausting. I wonder if we've made any difference.
Grindernukamas!
The holiday that makes all the other ones drool is the new holiday sensation. People around the world are trading their shopping bags in for good old-fashioned holiday cheer. And Grindernukamas ferns.
What? How did it spread so fast? Didn't we just start this holiday like this morning?
Maybe it was all those Grindernukamas cards we sent to everyone on the planet.
5 billion Grindernukamas cards down?
Only 1 billion more to go.
Your father and I are so proud of you, Rob. It's so nice when a young man saves the holiday season. Guess we don't need this old thing anymore. Oh, almost forgot. The postman has something for you.
Is this here the workshop for Grindernukamas Gary?
It sure is.
Okay, boys, this is the place.
Whoa!
10,000 down, 5,999,000,000 to go.
Dear Grindernukamas Gary, I want a bicycle. Dear Grindernukamas Gary, I want a flat screen TV. Dear Grindernukamas Gary, I want a new game system. All these cards are Grindernukamas wish lists for Grindernukamas Gary.
Ugh. Maybe next time you'll listen to me when I say it's a bad idea to give out your address to strangers.
Pointy hat crap in my style, man, but these kicks are sick.
Sorry, JJ. Hat's standard issue for Gary's Little Helpers. Okay, Gary's Little Helpers, let's start making presents.
Yes!
This kid wants a new skateboard. Excellent choice. Oh, never mind. It's from Jackknife.
Oh, man. I knew I'd be on Grindernukamas Gary's naughty list.
This one's from a guy who wants a new cell phone. And this girl wants a Smarby doll. Whew. That's all 6 billion cards. Gary's Little Helpers, gift status update.
We made 3!
What? Only 3? Although the ice board's pretty awesome.
I told you this production scale would lessen the quality.
Guys, we don't have any time to waste. All those people are expecting Grindernukamas gifts under their Grindernukamas fern on Grindernukamas Day. We've got to figure something out.
There's no way we'll be able to make 6 billion presents in time.
It's game over, man. This holiday's done before it even got its own postage stamp.
We can't give up now. Think. Where can we get billions of presents?
Did I hear someone say something about presents and billions? I know a place where all your dreams can come true.
Even if I have 6 billion dreams that need to be individually wrapped by midnight?
Ho, 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 you bet. It's a wonderful place full of all the presents anyone could ever want, called Huxtable Industries Super Mall. You want gifts for everyone celebrating Grindernukamas? You've come to the right place.
Buy more Grindernukamas Gary dolls!
They're perfect!
And we only need 6 billion of them. Mine! Mine!
There's something familiar about
It's mine!
Now, lady. Hold up.
this. This has nothing to do with goodwill and cheer. Come on, Meaty, let's split.
Lil Rob, check it out. If you buy a Grindernukamas fern, you get a free Grindernukamas Gary doll.
Buy more ferns!
A2, puppy? Oh, time to pull the plug.
Don't worry, I'm selling Grindernukamas Gary backup generators on the 3rd floor. And if you buy one, you get a free Grindernukamas Gary doll.
Buy more Grindernukamas Gary backup generators!
I'm out of here, guys. Grindernukamas is worse than the holidays I was trying to replace. So much for creating my own holiday.
Makes the other holidays rule. La 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 la. It's snowing everywhere.
Sorry for getting caught up in Grindernukamas holiday madness.
I blame capitalism.
I blame those Grindernukamas Gary dolls, man. They talked to me, man. They, told me things.
It's all good. But I'm glad you guys are back. And it looks like Grindernukamas isn't a total bust.
This just in, Grindernukamas is a total bust. Angry celebrators give up goodwill and holiday cheer when they discover there's no presents under the Grindernukamas fern.
You want goodwill and holiday cheer? Then come buy it half off at Huxtable Industries Super Mall.
Come on! We don't
I'm gonna get there quick.
Grindernukamas is cool. La 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 la. Makes the other holidays drool. La 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 la. It's snowing everywhere. La 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 la. Fun and plans for you to share. La 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 la
don't be scared now. La 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 la. I think this carol is now over. La 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 la.
You know, Meanie, maybe there is hope after all.